Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Ads Dynamic Remarketing Tag on WordPress website. By the end of this video, you will understand what is Dynamic Remarketing Tag, how Dynamic Remarketing Tags works, and how can you set up Dynamic Remarketing Tags properly. So first of all, we will know what is Dynamic Remarketing. Have you ever visited a website, check out a product, left without buying it, and then suddenly started seeing that exact product ads in everywhere? That's dynamic remarketing. Regular remarketing reach people who visited your site. Dynamic remarketing goes further. It uses what the user actually interacted with to make every ad relevant to that specific visitor. Example: visitor views a pair of shoes, leave the site without buying, then see that exact product again in an ad. Okay, now we will know how dynamic remarketing works into int. First on user visit product page. After that, data layer capture information. Then GTM reads the variable. After that, remarketing tags fire. Then then feed match. Then live the ad. Okay. Google needs to know exactly which product a visitor interacted with. That only works if the ID sent from your website match the ID inside your Merchant Center product feed. Okay, your website product ID and your Merchant Center product ID should be same. When the ID should be same, this dynamic remarketing works perfectly. Here you can see this is my Google Ads account dashboard, and I have already created some event on my previous video like purchase, add to cart, begin checkout. Okay, then this is my Google Tag Manager web container, and this is my Google Tag Manager server container. As you can see on my web container, some types of tags I have already created on my previous video for Google Ads conversion tracking. In my today's video, I will show you how can you set up Google Ads Dynamic Remarketing Tag for browser site and server site. Okay, before we start, we need to preview our website. Okay, that's why I'm click the preview. Then paste my website URL. Simply copy my website URL and paste here. After that, I'm click on bicycle and purchase a product. Then choose this cycle and click add to cart. Then I'm click proceed to checkout. Then here you need to put your personal details. I have already fill the form. That's why I'm simply click place order button. And here you can see our purchase is complete. Then I'm go back my tag assistant, and here you can see our all event is successfully fired. That means our conversion tracking is worked properly. Just we need to set up Google Ads Dynamic Remarketing Tag. Okay. So Google recommends some event for dynamic remarketing. Okay, I have make a sheet for this information. Here you can see I have add 5 events like purchase, add to cart, view item list, and view search result. So Google recommend this event for dynamic remarketing tag. Okay, so that's why we will create this type of event for dynamic remarketing. So first of all, we will create for purchase event. Okay, that's why I'm go back my web container, and here I'm click again new, then click tag configuration. After that, you need to click on Google Ads. Then here you can see many types of option. Okay, so here you need to select Google Ads Remarketing. I am simply click on it, and here you need to put your conversion ID. In my previous video, I have already created a constant variable for conversion ID. That's why I am simply search my conversion ID. Okay, and choose my conversion ID. And here you need to put your conversion level, but this is optional. That's why I am don't put the conversion level. Okay, then you need to check mark this option like send dynamic remarketing event data. I'm simply check on this option, and here you can see 3 types of field. Here you need to put your event name, event value, and event items. Okay, so first of all I am put my event name. That's why I'm simply copy this event name and paste here, because right now I'm creating a tag for purchase event. That's why after that you need to put event value like a value of product. Okay, so I have already created a variable in my previous video, that is total value. That is total value. Inside this variable, the value is ecommerce dot value. That means total value of this product. Okay, after that you need to add a variable that names event items. Okay, for this I have created a javascript code, a small java. So you need to simply copy this javascript code and again go back here, and I'm click on it, and here you need to choose new variable. Okay, after that I'm click a variable configuration. Then here you need to choose custom javascript. Okay, because we will use a javascript code. That's why I'm choose custom javascript variable. Okay, so here I'm put my javascript code, and here you need to call a variable that names ecommerce dot items. Okay, and then you need to add your variable name. I'm simply add this variable name, remarketing array. Then I am simply save this variable. Okay, my variable is successfully add on this field. Okay, after that you need to add a trigger. Okay, that's why I'm click on this trigger, and here you can see many types of trigger. So you need to choose purchase trigger, because right now I'm creating a tag for purchase event. Okay, and here you need to put your tag name. Okay, I'm simply add my tag name. Okay, my tag name is successfully add. Then I am click save button. After that, you need to create more tags. Okay, I'm go back again my sheet. Okay, our purchase event is complete, and then you need to create on more tags for add to cart event. That's why I'm go back again my Google Tag Manager account. Then again click new. After that, click tag configuration. Then click Google Ads. Then choose Google Ads Remarketing. And as well as here you need to put your conversion ID. Simply search my conversion ID and choose it. And here you need to put your conversion level, but conversion level is optional. That's why you don't need to add. Then you need to click here and then add your event name. I'm simply copy the event name and paste here. After that, you need to add the event value. I'm simply search my event value and choose it. And then you need to add the event items array. I have already created it. That's why I'm simply search it. Okay. Google Ads Remarketing array. And then you need to add a trigger. That's why I'm click triggering. After that, choose add to cart trigger because I'm creating a add to cart tag. Okay. Then I'm add the tag name and simply save this event. And I'm simply go back again my sheet. Okay, our purchase and add to cart is successfully completed. I mark this event. Then you need to create a view item tag for Google Ads remarketing. Okay, then I'm go back again my tag manager and I'm simply copy in my previous tag because of save my time, because our all tags tag is same. That's why simply you copy on add to cart event. Then you need to click on three dot. Okay, and here you can see many types of option. So simply click on copy. Okay, our tag is successfully copy, and you need to change the name of this tag. Okay, I'm simply add this name view item. Then you need to change your event name. Okay, I'm simply change my event name and paste here. After that, your event value and event items is same. That's why I'm not change any. Then you need to replace the trigger. Okay, that's why I'm simply click on here and minus it and again click here. Here I have not create any view item tag. That's why I'm click plus icon, then click trigger configuration. Then here I am choose custom event and copy this event name and paste here. You can copy this event name from DataLayer. Okay. When a user visit a product, you can see this event name. Okay. You can copy from here. Okay. Then I am simply name this trigger and simply save. Okay. Our view item tag is successfully created. Then I am simply save this event. Okay, our purchase, add to cart, and view item tag is successfully created. So I think we need to create one more two tag for view item list and view search result. Okay, let's go back again my Google Tag Manager. Then I am simply copy again any tags like add to cart. It will save your time. Okay. Then simply click on three dot button and click copy, and here you need to change your tag name. View item list, and here you need to change your event name. I'm simply copy the event name and paste here. You can copy this event name from your data layer. Okay, when a user visit a item list, so you can see this event name. Okay, by the way, here you need to put here you need to replace your triggering. Okay, that's why I'm click here and click minus, again click on it, and here you can see I have not create any view item list trigger. That's why I am create a new trigger for view item list. Okay, I'm simply click on plus icon and click trigger configuration. After that I am choose custom event, and here I am paste the event name. Okay, then simply add the trigger name and click to save, and our view item list event is successfully created. Okay, that's why I'm click save it. I think we have one more event for created. Okay, that's why I'm go back again. Okay, we need to create one more event like view search result. That's why we need to go back again our website, and we need to search a product, because when we search a product on our website, the event will send on data layer and we will see the event. Okay, that's why you need to copy any product name. Okay, I simply copy this product name and go back my home page, and here search my product name and click. Okay, when I am search my product name on the search bar, so you can see the search event on data layer. That's why I'm go back again my tag assistant, and here you can see the search event is successfully visible on our data layer. Okay, we will use this event for view search event like tag. Okay, that's why I'm go back again my tag manager, and I'm simply copy the add to cart event for save my time. You can apply this method for save your time. Okay, I'm simply click on add to cart event and simply copy on this event and rename the event like tag view search result, and here you need to change your event name. Okay, that's why I'm go back again and copy this event name and paste here. After that you need to change your triggering. That's why I'm click here and minus this trigger, and again click here, and here you can see I have not create any search trigger. That's why I need to create a new trigger. Okay, I'm click on plus icon, then click trigger configuration. After that click choose custom event, and here you need to put your event name. Okay, for this you need to go back your tag assistant and you can see this is our search event. When a user searches a product on your website, then you can see this event. Okay, I'm simply copy this event name and paste here. Then simply add the trigger name and simply save this tag. Okay, our all remarketing tag is successfully created on web container. Okay, right now we will create everything on server container. Okay, as well as web container. That's why I'm again go my server container, and here you can see I have already created three events like add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase for Google Ads conversion tracking. But right now we will create remarketing tag. Okay, that's why I'm click new and click tag configuration, and here you need to choose Google Ads, then Google Ads remarketing. Okay, after that you need to put here your conversion ID. I have already add my conversion ID as a constant variable. That's why I'm simply search my conversion ID. Conversion ID. Okay, and then we'll select send remarketing data from event data. Okay, that's why I'm click on it. After that you need to add a trigger. Okay, I'm click again triggering, then choose purchase because right now I'm create a tag for purchase event. Okay, here you need to add your trigger name. Okay, Google Ads Remarketing purchase event, and simply you need to save this event. For my time to save, I will copy this event. Okay, I'm simply copy this purchase event for save my time, and here I'm click three dot and click copy, then rename my tag name, and here I am write add to cart event, and everything is okay. We don't need to change any, and here you need to change your trigger just. Okay, that's why I'm click here and minus this trigger and again click here and choose add to cart. After that I am click to save it, then I am again create a new tag. That's why I'm click on add to cart event and copy this event and rename the tag name view item. Okay, and everything is okay, and I'm simply replace the trigger. Here you can see we have not created any view item trigger. That's why I'm click on plus button for create a new trigger. Okay, and click trigger configuration, and here you need to choose custom event, and here I am paste the event name and add the trigger name, simply save it. Okay, our view item tag is successfully created, and I'm simply save this trigger. After that we need to create more tags. Okay, that's why I'm again copy the add to cart event for save my time, then I'm click on three dot, copy this and rename my tag name, and I'm and I am right here my event name. Okay, here everything is okay. I'm simply replace the triggering. Click here, and here you can see we have not create any view item list trigger. That's why I'm click plus button and click trigger configuration. After that, I'm choose custom event, and here I'm paste the event name. Okay, simply copy it and paste here. Also paste here. Okay, then click to save it. After that, I'm simply save it trigger. Then we have to create one more events for search. Okay, that's why I'm again copy a view item list event and click three dot, then click copy, then rename the tag name, then simply replace the trigger, and here you need to put your trigger name. Okay, I'm go back again my data layer and simply copy the trigger like event name and paste here. Paste here. And simply save this event. Okay, our all remarketing tag is successfully created on server container and browser container. But we have need to create more tag on web container. Okay, I'm simply explain you why we will need to create more tag. Okay, here you can see we have sent only add to cart event, begin checkout event, and purchase event from web container. Okay, for browser to server, but we have not sent uh, some event like view item list and search. That's why we need to send this event from web container to server container. Okay, then server container will send this event on Google Ads. Okay, that's why I'm simply copy the add to cart event for save my time, then click three dot and copy this event and write the event name view item, and we need to change the event name. Okay, I'm simply change this event name. After that, you need to change your trigger. Okay, that's why I'm click again here and minus this trigger and click on it. Okay, I'm simply select this uh, view item and simply save this tag. After that, I'm again copy this add to cart event, copy this event and rename. Okay, here you need to put your event name. I'm simply copy the event name and paste here. After that, you need to replace the trigger. That's why I'm click here and again click here and choose the view item list trigger from here and simply save this tag. After that, we have only one event to create. Okay, that's why I'm go back again and again copy the add to cart event for save our time. Then click three dot, then copy and simply rename the tag name. View search result. And here you need to add your event name. I'm simply copy this event name and simply replace the trigger source. And I'm simply save this tag. Okay, our all tag creation is complete from web container and server container. Now we need to submit our both container. Okay, that's why I'm first of all submit my web container. After that, I will submit my server container. That's why I'm click submit, then click publish. Okay, our both container is properly submitted. Now we will check our all tracking is successfully work or not. That's why we need to preview our both container. Okay, so I'm simply preview. Then click connect. After that, I'm preview my server container. Okay, and first of all we will search a product. That's why I'm click the search box and paste the product name and click enter. When I'm click the search button, okay, and you can see a event is fired on tag assistant. That name is search. Okay, when I am search the product, here you can see GA4 view search result event and Google Ads Remarketing view search result event. Also, view item list event is successfully fired. After that, because I'm go back again my website and view this product. When I view this product, you can see a event like view item will fire. Okay, I'm go back my tag assistant and here you can see view item event from G4 and Google Ads Remarketing view item event is successfully fired. Okay, after that, when I am go back the server container, here you can see the same event is successfully fired like view item list and view item. But and then I'm simply add to cart this and click proceed to checkout and simply click place order and go back my tag assistant and here you can see our all tag is successfully fired. That means our Google Ads conversion tracking and Google Ads remarketing configuration is successfully work. Okay, when I'm go the server container, here you can see our all tag is successfully fired on our server container. Okay, that means our all tracking configuration is successfully work both both container. Okay, when I'm click the purchase and here you can see all purchase tag is fired. When I'm click on this variable section and here you can see all details like Google Ads remarketing array. Here you can see the product ID. Okay, this product ID is very important to match your website and your merchant center. Okay, I'm simply copy this product ID and go back my merchant center, and here I am search the product ID and apply it. And here you can see we have purchased this product. That means our merchant center product ID and our website product ID is successfully matched. When the product ID will match, your dynamic remarketing will work properly. Without matching the product ID, it cannot work. Okay, so I think you understand properly all everything how can work. Okay, that's for today's video. I hope this video help you understand how to set up Google Ads Dynamic Remarketing Tag on WordPress website. If this video is helpful for you, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. In my next video, we will cover how can you set up G4 e-commerce tracking. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.